Hello everyone. So we have another problem here called product sales analysis 1. We have two tables. The first one is called sales and it has 5 columns. So here the sale ID and year is the combination of primary key and product ID is a foreign key. So each row of this table shows a sale on the product ID in a certain year. Note that the price is per unit. All right. The second table is called product and the product ID is the primary key here, which was the foreign key for the first table. And the problem statement says each row of this table indicates the product name of each product. So we have to write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. We have to return the result table in any order, so that's good. So here are the examples of the two tables and this should be the output. So we'll be using an inner join here because every cell has a matching point in the product table through product ID. That means inner join and left join would return the same rows for this problem, but inner join keeps it more clear by showing only the cells that have a matching product name. Left join is only useful if some cells are broken and have no product, which would show a null value. But in this case, an inner join is more appropriate. So let's get started. We'll begin by saying select, and we want to select 3 things. So the product name, which will actually come from the product table. So here, and to take that from the product table, we'll say product and we'll put a dot. Then we want the year, which will come from the sales table. So sales dot year, and we need the price, which also comes from the sales table. So sales dot price. And we want to take this from the sales table and we'll inner join the product table. So and for the condition, we'll say that the product ID from the sales table or the product table is equals to the sales table's product ID, and we'll end with a semicolon. So let's run this. So yeah, that's how we solve this problem.